Hi everyone, we are going to make the smile for the cute little pumpkin costume, but we are going to do it in yellow because I want you to be able to see it, so I'm not going to use black. We are going to start with a slip knot on our crochet hook, so go ahead and make your slip knot however you choose. I'm going to make mine by bringing up my tail end over my crochet hook, which creates a loop, and then I'm going to grab my working yarn and pull that through that loop, and that is my slip knot. And now we're going to chain 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And now the loop on your hook does not count as a stitch or a chain. This is our first chain, and this is our second chain from hook. So in our second chain from hook, we want to work a slip stitch. So insert your crochet hook into that second chain, yarn over, bring that through that chain and through the loop on your hook. In the next chain, we're going to work a single crochet. So insert your hook, yarn over, bring that through and up. You have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and go through both of those loops. In each of the next 3 chains, we're going to work 2 single crochets. So this is the next chain. We're going to work 2 single crochets. So 1 and 2. In the next chain, we're going to work 2 single crochets. So 1 and 2. This is giving us that little curve for our smile. And then in the next one, this is going to be 2 single crochets again. And then in the next chain, we're going to work 1 single crochet. And then in the last chain, we're going to work 1 slip stitch. Just like that. And now if you take a look, you'll see your little smile is like this, which is super cute, right? And now what we want to do is work a slip stitch all along the bottom here. So all you have to do is turn your work now so that bottom is upward looking at you. And we're going to be working on the bottom of the stitches that we just made by inserting our hook at the bottom of the stitch we just did and make a slip stitch just like that. I'm going to go into the next stitch, the bottom of it, insert my hook and do a slip stitch. And there's the next stitch we worked. We're going to work a slip stitch in there just like that. And then you can see the next slip stitch. I'm going to insert my hook there, or the next stitch, I'm sorry. I'm going to make a slip stitch. And there's our next stitch. I'm going to insert my hook, work a slip stitch, and then we have one more, which is right there. So I'm just going to go ahead and insert my hook and make my little slip stitch. It just makes a nice little edging for the little mouth like that. You don't have to do that part if you don't want. I just like to. And then I'm going to take my scissors, fasten that off. And then again, you can either sew this on or hot glue it on. Of course, you'd want black or whatever color you choose. And then, boom, there's your little smiley face. Or your little frown, however you want.